Namaste. Hello everyone and welcome to Grace and Glam. Today I am going to talk to you about, yes, you got me right, International Dance Day. Well, it's a customary practice of UNESCO to reserve a day for everything which comes under the scope of performing arts. And yes, when we talk about dance, definitely it is. That's why 29th of April is celebrated or observed as International Dance Day. Well, International Dance Day is a global celebration and it is initiated by International Theatre Institute, ITI, one of UNESCO's leading performing arts partner. Well, it was created in the year 1982 as a beacon for the creative and social value of dance. This date is specially chosen as it is the birthday of a popular French dancer and ballet master, and his name is Jean-Georges Nouvel. I hope I am pronouncing correctly. However, the day is dedicated to celebrate dancing in general with no focus on any particular type of dance. Well, the idea was quickly picked up by several dance communities all across the world, and today there are many events which are organized, which are observed today, even without any direct connection with ITI. Dance societies, studios, crews and stages all around the world celebrate International Dance Day by hosting performances, classes, lectures or simple dances to share their passion. Well, dance happens to be a universal form of expression and it is a very, very strong passion. Well, it can be a passion in you, in me, in anyone and everyone. However, not everyone can dance well. While even kids can dance, but not everyone can dance well. So how can we learn dancing? If you want to learn dancing, then in that case you have to pick up a style which you feel that you can dance, or is something that really impresses you. It could be a freestyle as well, and then work on it, work on the style, keep dancing as and when time permits, and get trained, take classes on that. Get professional help or get trained on that, and certainly you can learn on your own. Probably these days, of course, when you have ample time, you can learn dancing watching YouTube also. There are online classes also where you can enroll, and there are a lot of forms which you can research, and you can actually pursue your passion if it has been your passion and you have not been able to give it time. So this is the right time to pursue. Do not forget to give some extra love to your body by eating right and exercising regularly to be a stellar performer in dance. Importantly, it's very, very important in fact that you need to shed all your inhibitions or any doubts which comes in your mind which says that you are too old to dance or you are too late to pick up this as a passion. Now that we are talking about spirit of dancing, now it is inevitable of not talking about the various popular dance forms all across the world. Well, there are so many international dance forms which are actually very, very popular all across the world, and it could be the Gangnam style or the hip hop style, the tap dance, the break dance, Kathak, ballet, salsa, and there are a lot more. So that's what I can remember right now. If we talk about Indian dance forms, there are so many to mention. Be it Bharatnatyam, be it Kathak, be it Kuchipudi, be it Odissi, be it Bihu, be it Kathakali, be it Manipuri, be it Bhangra, be it Garba, be it Ghumar, be it Chau, Lavani, Mohiniyattam. So there are so many dance forms, and every state has its own dance form. So I would like to know what is your favorite dance form and who's your favorite dancer. So please do not forget to mention in the comment section, because even you might have your favorite dancers or your favorite dancing star. It could be a Bollywood star, it could be a Hollywood star, it could be a professional dancer as well. So I would like to know who is your favorite dancer and what is your favorite dance form. So with this, I shall take a leave and I shall meet you again. So thank you very much, and don't forget to stay happy, stay safe and stay grooving.